Hello and welcome to our StreamFlow range of trolley systems. Today I'm going to be focusing on the features and benefits of the 25 litre trolley system I have here with me. This particular trolley range, the StreamFlow trolley range, also includes the 25 litre, the 50 litre and the 120 litre trolleys, all available with or without DI vessels. So this particular trolley, one of the main benefits and features is the easily removable battery, lithium-ion battery, rechargeable. This combined with the 12 volt StreamFlow pump, you can get a full 12 hours out of this pump on a continuous run, and its charge time is approximately 5 hours. So fantastic combination there. The StreamFlow 12 volt pump is 100 psi with 4.5 litres per minute, and it has no trouble pumping water right up to 72 feet. Also on this trolley system we have the digital flow controller, so you can obviously adjust the control speed of the pump, so you can save water where required. This trolley also has the benefit of the collapsible handles, which you can unscrew on the side here and actually collapse the handles down, so you can obviously store it in nice tight spaces as well. It's got the feature of a carry handle on the front as well. On this particular model we've got the DI filter on the rear, so this is all in line, so you can purify water as you go. 7 litres is the maximum capacity of the DI resin. We've also got the stainless steel stop connector on the front, a really nice feature. So you just connect your connector in there, and it's got a little stop valve in there as well. So as soon as you disconnect your connector, you're not going to have water leaking out the bottom there. So fully stainless steel, nice and robust. Another new added feature, which is extremely useful, is this inline weighted brass filter. You'll notice it's got like a hose lock male connection on the base here. The idea of that is that, as we know, diaphragm pumps are prone to getting airlocks at some point in their lives. So a nice feature to remove that, an airlock, is you can just literally connect your mains water straight up to there. You just crank your controller right up to 100, turn your mains water on, and it will just blast the airlock through. So a really nice new feature on that, and that's full stainless steel, so nice and robust. Other benefits of this trolley is that it has the robust puncture-proof tyres as well. So they're not pneumatic tyres, they're nice and solid, so you're not going to have any issues with punctures in the future. The other features I wanted to mention as well is it comes with a TDS meter, handheld TDS meter. You obviously get your charger and a spare cap as well for your container here. So as soon as you remove the lid and you want to just maybe store it in your van, you can actually have a lid without a hole in it, so you're not worried about leaking water everywhere. Those are the main features and benefits. Any questions, don't hesitate to get in touch with us. Thank you for watching our video, and I'll see you on the next one.